أنا العبد الذي كسب الذنوب وصدته الأماني أن يتوب.
The next speaker is Muhammad Wasim. Please stand up with the topic of political system of Islam and present.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله رب العالمين، والصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين، أما بعد، فقد قال الله تبارك وتعالى في القرآن المجيد والفرقان الحميد: إن أكرمكم عند الله أتقاكم. صدق الله العظيم. Honorable President of the program, respected guests, and your esteemed audience. Today, I want to talk on a very important topic, the political system of Islam. Dear dignified friends, politics is an English word for a siyasa in Arabic, which literally means to manage the things, and the extraordinary of importance of politics is indicated in the dozens of the ayah of the glorious Quran. For instance, Surah Al-Baqarah verse number 247, Surah Al-Nisa verse number 54 to 58, Surah Al-Ma'idah verse number 44, 45, 47, 50, Surah Al-Araf verse number 129, Surah Yusuf verse number 54, 55, 57, Surah Kahf verse number 84, Surah An-Naml verse number 32, and so on. And similarly, its significance has been emphasized in various ahadith. Dear audience, we already know that Islam is a complete system of our life, and politics is an integral part of our collective life. Just as Islam teaches us how to perform salah, how to pay zakah, how to keep fast, and how to undertake the hajj, so it also teaches us how to form a government and how to undertake the hajj. Dear intellectuals, man is the caliph of Allah on the earth. As the glorious Quran says in Surah Al-Baqarah verse number 32, Inni ja'ilun fil ardi khalifa. I am going to place a caliph on the earth. It means Allah is the sovereign and man is his caliph. In political sense, caliphate means the implementation of the will of Allah on the earth. The glorious Quran says in Surah Al-Hajj verse number 41, if we give them authority in the land, they will establish salah, pay zakah, enjoin the good and forbid the wrong. Respected listeners, Islam teaches us to run a state, to make legislation and take decision through the process of shura. Shura means to take decision through consultations. The glorious Quran says in Surah An-Nisa verse number 159, and consult them in conduct of affairs. This is an important part of Islamic political system. There is no scope for despotism and dictatorship in Islam. The Quran and Sunnah will be the basis of Islamic political system. Respected colleagues, Islamic political system makes the ruler responsible to Allah. The ruler is elected by the people to exercise their powers on their behalf. A ruler has to work for the welfare of the society, as the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ has done when he established the ever first state, namely Medina. A ruler will appear before Allah Almighty and account for his actions. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ says in a hadith, a ruler has to look after his people and he will be questioned about them. Bukhari Sharif hadith number 893. Dear brothers, in Islamic political system, judiciary is independent of executive. The head of the state, any government minister, chief minister or prime minister would be called to the court if necessary. They would be treated no differently from other citizens. The Quran has many clear injunctions about justice. As the glorious Quran says in Surah Al-Ma'idah verse number 8, يَعْدِلُوا هُوَ أَقْرَبُ لِلتَّقْوَى. nearer to piety. One of the main functions of Islamic State is to ensure justice for all. It is commanded so by Allah Almighty in Surah An-Nisa verse number 134. O believers, stand firmly for justice. Bear true witnesses for the sake of Allah, even though it is against of yourselves, your parents and your relatives. Respected brothers, Islamic political system ensures equality for all citizens. It does not recognize any discrimination on the basis of language, color, gender or descent. To conclude, I would like to say that it is the responsibility of Islamic State for the welfare of the society and for all citizens. Muslim and non-Muslim are alike. They should all enjoy the freedom of belief, freedom of thought and freedom of religion. May Allah accept us to be good politicians and to work for the benefit of mankind. That's all. Jazakumullah. Assalamu alaikum.
أنا العبد الذي كسب الذنوب